All right, good morning, everyone. It is a quarter to 9 on the morning of the 18th of June 2021, and this is my morning strategy session. Well, sort of a morning strategy session. There really isn't anything. Well, so my large cap scanner is all red. There's nothing green, there's nothing popping up. My small cap scanner just doesn't have anything that is attractive on it. It's probably going to be a day where I don't trade at all. I really am just kind of looking at things in general. There might be, well, there are going to be, obviously, there are going to be opportunities on the market today. There always are. It's just that the opportunities aren't obvious. There's nothing really obvious popping up pre-market that's going to gain some momentum or have a lot of participation that's obvious to me. I mean, obviously that is going to happen. There are going to be stocks today that trade and have volume and so on and so on, but it's just not obvious to me which ones they'll be today. Starting here with Bitcoin this morning. What I see in Bitcoin right now is this reversal. This reversal pattern is in play right now. It's bearish. You can see here that here's the neckline. Here's the head and shoulders formation. Here's the neckline that's created between the two shoulders. Then the price took a major dive. Has crept back up to the neckline, got rejected, and is continuing to get rejected. We'll see how low this thing goes, and it could be a long time. I mean, the last time Bitcoin had a sell off like this is the daily. It climbed up to like 20,000 back here in 2017. Yeah, close to 20,000. And it hit its peak, and it took another, let's take it off of the log. Let's see, 2017. Let's look at the peak here at 2017. That's roughly the peak. I don't know if it's exactly the peak or not. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty close. There we go. 19,666. And it was another 1, 2, 3 years before it recovered its price again. So, does Bitcoin go all the way back down to this 19,000 price to test it? I don't know. Maybe. So there's really nothing. I don't know how to play Bitcoin to the downside. If I did, I'd probably look to average into a short position here for the foreseeable future. Coinbase is kind of struggling. The SPY pre-market, if it opened up right now, the SPY would open up. Let me get back over here to portfolio. It would open up down 1% right now if it opened up this right now. It's under some pressure. Actually, let me pull down. That's why. Okay. And so the VIX now is back up into the gap. I imagine that there will be some resistance at the top of the gap if the VIX makes it all the way there. So there might be an opportunity to trade the SPY today on relative strength indicators. If the relative strength indicators decide to line up, then there might be a trade there. Silver, pre-market silver was trying to bounce back a little bit from the previous day's slide there, and now it's back down pre-market. It's up 0.21% over yesterday's close, but yeah, that's not really saying anything. Wheat. So wheat had its peak here and it's kind of sold off since, and it looks like it might be trying to gain some support in this price area. I mean, the chart is bullish. You know, if wheat is going to recover, if it's going to catch support, it ought to catch support in this area. You can see here wheat actually over the years, this is the daily going back to 2014. I mean, wheat has really just gotten hammered over the past few years. You can see this WEAT from January 14th back here hit a high. It was up around 25 bucks. It's down around 6.5 right now. So I don't know. Is this the bottom? I mean, it could be. Well, we'll see. There might be a play there long term. All right, everybody. I mean, really, that is it. That is all I have for a morning strategy session. There really isn't anything going on today. Good luck out there. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the recap. I am out.